Hello and welcome to the Splash Landings Hotel at Alton Towers. So we're going to take you through a bit of a hotel tour. We'll show you some of the rooms, we'll insert that footage shortly. We'll show you some of the main facilities in the Splash Landings Hotel, and then what we'll do is we'll actually use the walkway that connects the two hotels, and we'll head over to the Alton Towers Hotel also. So yeah, we'll turn you around and we'll get going. Okay, so let's head in. Okay, so we're in the main lobby. And over there is the Margaritas bar. I'm not going to take you over there, it's too loud. And downstairs, we'll head down there shortly, is the Flambeau's Jambo all-you-can-eat buffet. We'll head down there in a bit. So just really everything you can think of. Got some pretty cool lanyards. I really like the 13 one, that is so cool. Some trophies. These are pretty cool. Oh wow, that's cool. All of the mugs in one pack, £30. That is really cool. Really good offer. So heading over to the lifts. What's interesting about this hotel at Splash Landings, the lobby is on the top floor, so the rooms are actually below, and I'll just give you a quick shot over at the water park, which is just closing. And that's connected to the hotel. So what we'll do is we'll head down and we will insert the room tour now. So this is a standard room. You've got your ironing board, kind of a makeshift wardrobe, not really a wardrobe, but places to hang, cool pattern on the floor. It's quite nice decorated. Everything you'd expect. It's pretty good size. Nice TV. I do like the fan. It's something you need at hotels. Coffee and tea. What have we got in here? Just some more storage space. Hairdryer. Looks okay. Just some more storage space in there. Bunk beds for children. Nice sized bed. This is the bathroom. An okay size. We've got plenty of towels. Toilet. Shower and bath. Okay. Pretty okay size. Shampoo, body wash. Yeah, not too bad. And a cot, which is good. Loving we're in the Splash Landings Hotel, so it's all themed to the water park, and that's a nice cool bit of artwork. You can just see the Master Blaster there, which is great. Yeah, I like that, cool. It's very tropical, beachy vibes. And the view, we don't have too much of a view. You can just see right up there, that is the monorail station. So we've not got too far tomorrow when we actually go onto the park. So yeah, in terms of room, it's pretty okay. We didn't pay too much, which was good. I'm happy that we're staying on site again. So as I said, Flambeau's Jambo, it is the hotel's all-you-can-eat buffet. They do breakfast, lunch and dinner, I believe, and we'll go into the arcades now. People having fun, winning some prizes. Just a look at some of the prizes you can get. Pretty cool. Some prices there for the Flambeau's Jambo. Breakfast is actually included in the stay, and then you pay extra for your lunch and your dinner. I don't know how much we'll be able to see, but you can just kind of see through there. Just typical buffet. Okay, so we've just come down to level, let me focus there, level 1. So on this level is the conference centre. There's this walkway over to the Alton Towers Hotel, which is really handy. You can go over around the front of the hotel, just go out into the car park and through the other entrance, which we're not going to do because it's quite chilly out at the moment. So we're going to take the really convenient walkway. There is a walkway here, you can kind of just see it, and it goes through and round through the water park. You can't film in there, so we will meet you over in the Alton Towers Hotel. Okay, so just made it through the walkway, through the water park. Obviously, like I just mentioned, you can't film in there. So we'll spin you around and we'll show you the walkway over. Also note the transition on the carpet, where at the moment you can see below me there, it's sandy, obviously for the Splash Landings water park, because we're technically still in that hotel. And then you'll start to see it change over to the more formal Alton Towers one. Okay, so really quickly, we're just at the conference centre. Obviously it's closed now. Pretty cool though. It kind of fits with the theme of the Alton Towers Hotel. Over here you can kind of see the resort map, well, the hotel map. So we've just come from over here at the Splash Landings. We're now taking the walkway over, so we'll carry on. So we're just approaching the main lobby of the Alton Towers Hotel, so we'll get some shots of that. Some evening entertainment. Pretty cool. They've just had some singers on. We were sat down there before with the dinner. Really cool theme for a hotel.
What's wrong with that though?
Yeah, another gift shop. Pretty much the same stuff. Yeah, no, not much point showing that. All the same stuff, all the same merch. A lot of lanyards, which are pretty cool. Really cool theme in here. It just seems this hotel, I do love Splash Landings, we're actually staying over in Splash Landings. Just seems this hotel's a bit more elegant. It has a Costa, which the other one doesn't have. Obviously it's closed now, but it will be open. You can hear the entertainment starting up again. So we were watching this before. They've been doing live singing, they've been doing a pub quiz. It's been really cool. Just come outside, you can see there where we've just literally been. Come outside where it's a little bit quieter. Really nice seating area out here. Not sure you can just see that. Be really cool in the summer that actually, when it gets a bit warmer. Beautiful fountain area, nice lake. We actually saw some ducks over here before, which was pretty cool. But that is the CBeebies Hotel. We're not going to go in there and film. And then just over there, you can't really see it because it's pitch black. That is where the Alton Towers Spa is. We've not actually been in there before. I'd really like to give it a go. Probably try and come back at some point and give that a go. So we'll head out of the Alton Towers Hotel, and what we'll do is we will speed you up. We'll just spin round and look at the front of the hotel, look at this pretty cool fountain. Again, fits in with all of the theming. And then we will walk you round to the Splash Landings Hotel. It's literally a 2-minute walk, and CBeebies is the other way. And then the Enchanted Village as well is also a couple of minutes walk from here. The monorail station, if you get into the theme park, is actually closest to Splash Landings Hotel, which is why we prefer to stay there, just so we can get onto the park quicker and beat those queues. It means it's only a couple of minutes spare, but it's every minute helps. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of Splash Landings Hotel, and also when we headed over to Alton Towers Hotel. I think we covered most of it. We missed the Dragon's Bar, which was downstairs in the Alton Towers Hotel where the entertainment was taking place, just because it was too loud. Obviously you heard there was the live singers, so didn't want to go down there, and there was a lot of people up and about. Great atmosphere. Both hotels were great atmosphere. I do think that the Alton Towers Hotel, the night entertainment was better in there, and there was a bit more of a lively atmosphere, and they actually encouraged adults to take part, not just children, whereas the Splash Landings Hotel, it was more of a mini disco vibe. So maybe consider that if you've got small children. Splash Landings would be great. If it's maybe just you, or you've got older children, maybe teenagers, head over to the Alton Towers Hotel. What's really good is you're not stuck in one of the hotels, so if you stay like us here in Splash Landings, you can head over and access any of the other resorts, amenities, any of the restaurants, any of the bars, any of the entertainment, which is great. Extraordinary golf here at the Alton Towers Resort. It's literally by the monorail station, a 2-minute walk from the Splash Landings Hotel. We did that earlier. The golf was absolutely fantastic. We actually got 9 holes free with our stay here, and you could actually pay £2 per person to double that up to do the 18-hole course, which was absolutely fantastic. It was based on a lot of the themed areas in the theme park, and also the rides, old and new, which was really good. So yeah, that is open from 10 AM till 6 PM, along with the water park, which obviously we couldn't film. So what we'll do is we will link the Alton Towers website, where you can find information on the theme park, the water park and Extraordinary Golf, and any of the other things that we've covered today in this video. Enjoyed that. Comment on any of your questions. I'll try my best to answer them down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for our adventure tomorrow at Alton Towers Resort.